Oh, let me tell you guys, I just had met the head owner. So his son was the one who let me come out, son-in-law, and this guy is amazing. I don't know if you can see this pond, but this is pretty beautiful. All private. Never been here before. I don't know if I want to start here or go all the way around. There's some of it that's not very accessible there. The island has a bunch of geese on it. I don't know. There's a lot of algae, not terrible, up against the well, blowing this way, I should say. But I'm thinking we need to go up over that corner out there. I already see some snapping turtles. So, yeah, let's see what we can find. Oh, did you see it? There, we got one. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, nice. Very nice. Guess he came back for that. Yeah, I got you. I got you. And let me get this out of there for you. There we go. Nice, pretty fish. Yeah, can we see that there a little bit better? Nice little guy. About a pound. Pretty cool. Picked one up. I'll send him back in. Thank you, sir. Gotta let you go there. Sorry. Cool. All right. We got one. And we know they like this Keitech. Told you, I love this thing. So pretty cool. So we know he's there. We left him alone. Came back to him. Presented it again. The question was he right there? Did he follow it from that ledge? I want to get on that side and come down that ledge. So there's still activity over there. So I don't know. We'll have to see. All right. I'm going to put my stuff on the other side here. I'm going to try and work my way around the island. I'm gonna go over here first and see what we see. Huh. Opens up kind of nice. Not sure what's there, but all right, well, looks like a little deeper here. Oh, did you see that swirl? Got one. Coming right at me. I'm driving pretty fast. Okay. Oops. Goodness, fishy. Look at that guy. There's a fish. Well, here we are. Number 2. About the same size as the other one, isn't it? Very nice. Pretty looking fish. All right, fishy, we're gonna get you back. Half gainer. Outstanding. Again, the Keitech seems to be doing the trick. I'm seeing activity out there. I just can't get that far. We'll see. All right, well, we're gonna try this Keitech again. Got a lot of big open water out there, and I'm wondering if we should try some bigger, deeper lures, but I'm not so sure. So we'll start that way. There we go. It's a little one. Not terrible. Not terrible at all. Well, any bass is a... Don't wiggle, don't wiggle. Oh, thank you. Hold on. Hold on, Mr. Fishy. Oh, come on. There we go. Sorry. He flung off. There we go. Nice picture. He's a little smaller than the other one. But he is a catch. We'll take it. We'll take it. I'll let that one sink a little bit. All right, he's a little better. Not bad. I'll let him go a little bit. Here you go, look at that fish. Nice fish. Come on, settle down. I don't want to hook in my finger. There we go. I got you. There, look at that guy. Good fish. Not bad at all. He's fought a little more. He's a little thicker than the other one. It's pretty heavy. I'll let you go down in here. Kaboom. How many is that? 4? 5? I don't know. Pretty good for not having been here at this pond. The Keitech seems to do it. The frog worked a little bit. And this is in the evening, so the morning bite could be the thing. That was a good explosion for you all, but I didn't catch him. I mean, he wasn't a 5-pounder, but that still made some noise coming out, and that's always a good thing to hear. I'm gonna have to try that again. It's obviously small, but let's go this way. Whoa, boy, that was terrible. All right, I changed a few things out. Got rid of the spider, put a white Chapo on. And we're on the other side of the bridge now. We just scared something. There's a ripple effect just happening right below me. And unfortunately, I have not changed these out yet for the inlines. I did on the black one. So these are going to be a bigger pain here in this pond. But we're going to throw it a few times as darkness falls and we head down around that corner. See if we can attract some attention with it. Wow, that's a terrible cast. Yeah, except for tournaments, treble hooks just seem to be more of a pain than they're worth. I mean, granted, you can get better hookups, but in these ponds, I try to, since that's what I do most of, I try to preserve the fish a little bit more and not chew their mouths up so much. Ding. So we're going to throw this in my Keitech a couple times, move about 20 yards, and we'll just keep doing that as the sun goes down here. That's, I think, the only two we're going to throw here. What did we catch? I think 5, maybe 4 or 5. A couple we didn't quite get, so they're in here. And there was ones we saw and didn't get. So I bet they've got a fair amount of fish in here. Oh, scared something. A little fish, probably. Probably a bluegill or something. All right, we're going to move down and we'll catch up to you in a second. Actually, I think we're going to shoot it along this curve, because that's probably a really good idea. There's some electrical line going there. And feeding time may be over. I haven't seen much activity. Here. Swear to God. That one might have been, that's a bad one. Oh, not terrible. Still got it out. Something tugging at it. Well, I think it's got it. And one more for the evening. Chill out. Oh, goodness. Where'd he go? All right, come here, fishy. There we go. One last one. Oop, gotta get him in there. Just slip it out of my hands. Cool, the Keitech strikes again. And that was the different retrieve again. We let it die instead of just a straight retrieve. We let it die, reel it in a little bit, jig it a little bit, and sure enough, we enticed the bite.